Welcome aboard. Thanks for joining us here at Kaptain Cooks. Today we will be cooking a creamy potato soup. Let's take a closer look at our ingredients. Let's prepare them and set a course for flavor. We peeled and cubed 5 Yukon Gold potatoes, chopped up 1 small onion, softened and cubed 1 cream cheese, as well as we cooked our bacon. Let's get over to the stovetop. I cooked our bacon in the soup pot, drained the excess fat. To that, we're going to add our diced onion, and let that cook down for a couple minutes. To our onion, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix that up and let that cook down for about a minute. To this mixture, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to melt that down, and then we'll add our flour. We're going to add our ½ cup of flour. Mix that in and let it cook for a couple minutes to cook out all the raw flour. Okay, now I'm going to add 4 cups of low sodium vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock if you prefer. Once that is whisked together, we will add our potatoes. Mix this in. And we'll add a little seasoning. To the pot, we're going to add 1 teaspoon each of paprika, salt, and black pepper. We can always add more later to taste. For a little more liquid and flavor, I'm going to add 2 cups of water mixed with 2 teaspoons of vegetable better than bouillon. Let's mix that up and bring this to a boil. After about 45 minutes, or when the potatoes are for tender, I want to turn off the heat, and we're going to take a potato masher to crush up some of the potatoes. If you don't like chunks, you can use an immersion blender. However, if you like a little bit of the texture of the potatoes, the potato masher works just fine. Now we're going to keep the heat off, and we're going to add our cream cheese and half and half. I added 1 block of cream cheese, softened and cubed, and then I'm going to add 1 pint of half and half. We're going to slowly mix that in. Once our dairy components are mixed in, we're going to put this on low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Let all the flavors dance together. Ring the bell, our meal is ready. Now if you want to make a vegetarian version of this, instead of the bacon grease, use 2 tablespoons of olive oil at the beginning. Now let's serve this up. Now a good captain always tries the meal out before his crew. So let's top this soup off with some cheddar cheese, some of the bacon crumbles from earlier, a little bit of sour cream, and finally pinch of chives. Let's do a little more than that. All right, lower the anchor and raise your spoons. It's time to eat. We appreciate it if you would like, comment, and subscribe on this video so we can continue to make more and better content.